Hello. I want to say hi and thanks to all the different countries in their native language that has seen my videos. So I know for a fact that I will mess up and unfortunately probably butcher it. So I am so sorry if I offend any of you. I am just trying to extend my thanks to the whole world. So I am asking your forgiveness ahead of time. So here goes nothing. So for United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and all the other English-speaking countries and American Sign Language, hi and thank you, or cheers. For Russia, Privet et Spasibo. France, Salut et merci. Germany, Hallo und Danke. Italy, Ciao e grazie. Israel, Shalom Toda. Iraq, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, and all of the other Arab nations, Salam, Shukran. Poland, Cześć, and Dziękuję. Philippines, Hello, Samletpo. Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, Spain, and all of the other Spanish nations, Hola y gracias. Africa, Swahili, Jambo, Asante. Vietnam, Zhao, Kamyan. The Czech Republic, Ahoy, Dequin. China, Ni Hao, Shasha. Japan, Konnichiwa, Arigato. India, Namaste, Hung Nav. So, that's all, and sorry if I butchered it. I tried practicing. So, hope all is well with you, and have a good one. If you like this, subscribe, or do whatever. Well, see ya.